Hey guys, wanted to show you our rear hoop here and how this installs. This one happens to be going in one of the newer Chevys 2500s. So over here you'll see where we have a plate and a piece of metal going down, tube that goes down into the stake pocket. So you're literally just going to slide this in and out of your stake pocket, and then there's a hole inside here that we provide a wing bolt, and you wing bolt it in on both sides and hold it in. Now on the newer Chevys, the stake pocket isn't all the way up and down like on the older ones. There's a little pocket on one side, and so we provide a spacer block here for you to be able to tape in there, and so it'll sit inside the stake pocket like this, and then once you bolt it in, the rear hoop doesn't move forward to backward. If this was out and there was a space there, it would like that. So quick and easy, you pull it in and out whenever you need. Quick one wing bolt on each side, then you're able to load up, haul whatever you need that's longer than your bed with this rear hoop.